Okay, guys, we are here today to bring you another episode of the Artsy Trio. And for this month, this is our vision board. This is created by Bea Grob. And this one's going to be challenging, but I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. The colors are an interesting combination that honestly I normally wouldn't choose these particular colors together. I went through my stash to find colors that I thought were close to what was pictured here. So I found this fire coral. This is a folk art paint. And then I found a green. This is like a celadon, which I don't really have, but I do have this. What color is this? It's a Turner gouache. J Green Light. That's what it says, J Green Light. And then I have a brown. This looks like a brown. I don't think it's quite red enough, but it's just brown, matte acrylic brown. I think it'll work. I think it's pretty close. And then this color could go beige, could go gray. I mean, depending on what my printer was doing at the time it printed this. I picked this celadon color, which is a grayish green. I thought that would sort of be close-ish. And I thought together, that's interesting, right? I also picked up black and white. And then because of the photos in the mood board, there's, you know, a few outdoor photos or nature-y kind of photos that were really inspiring. I chose this pale aqua blue color, kind of a light sky-ish color. So we're going to see what we can do. We're going to be sort of messy about it, still inspired by David Garibaldi. I'm going to see where I go with it. I'll speed forward through the process. I'll let you watch what I'm doing. If I have to stop and explain anything, I will do that. And let's see where we go with this. So just so you know, I rarely toss any leftover paint. I usually clean my palettes off on some scrap paper. That's how my painty papers collection has gotten to be so big. Granted, I need to use more of them, but waste not, want not, right? Okay, that was really quick, quicker than I thought it was going to be, but oh my God, that was a lot of fun. Is it a feather? Is it a leaf? I don't know. I was shooting for feather, but I like the way it turned out regardless. It was fun. It was messy. Yeah, I love it. For those wondering, if you haven't seen my other video, this is a journal that I've done other class work in, paid for classes and color experiments. And if you want to see more about how I started this journal and why, that's a paid for class with Bea Grob, and the link is down in the video description. So it's the one that I did earlier. We have another class coming out, but anyway, check the link out in the video description. And yeah, if you're interested in supporting the free content over here, that's one way to do it. Anyway, that's what this journal is all about. So I always put notes on one side and the painting on the other. Normally, like last time, if I can do this very carefully, I do the painting on one side of the page and the notes on the opposite page. But in this case, can we go out anymore? No, that's it. So in this case, the opposite page is this tan color, and I kind of wanted to do another painting over here. So I opted to instead do everything on one page, which, you know what, I'm not mad about. I kind of like the way it turned out. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. It's very messy. It's very suggestive of shape. It's a color combination I wouldn't normally put together, but again, I'm not mad about it. I really like it. I would love to see what you are inspired to do by this month's mood board. If you would like to post pictures or videos of what you do inspired by the mood board, join the Artsy Trio Facebook group. The link will be down in the video description, and tag one or all of us teachers in the post. Mike Deacon's video and Bea Grob's video will be linked also down in the video description, so check out that video description. It's important. There's lots of stuff down there. If there's ways to support the free content, there's all kinds of stuff, so check it out. That's it for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay creative. Don't forget to go out and do something nice for yourself, because you deserve it, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.